Deleting a file. This is our previously created file. To delete an existing file, select the file, right-click on it and select the delete option. The computer will ask for confirmation to delete the file. Select yes if you sure want to delete. Another way to delete the file is to select the file which you want to delete and press delete key on the keyboard. We see the file is deleted, but it is stored in recycle bin. Recycle bin stores the deleted items of your computer. Let's see the recycle bin. Our deleted file is here. To restore your deleted file, select the file, right-click on it and select Restore. To delete the file permanent from your computer, select Delete.